Hi everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Hope y'all are having a good morning so far. It's Sierra here with our essentially elevated team of doTERRA essential oil nerds here to talk to you about our BOGO today. Buy one, get one. Buy Lavender, get Peppermint. These are awesome, awesome oils that I always keep with me, so it's a great deal here. So just talk to you for a couple minutes about both of them. Lavender is really, really great. I'm sure you might know it well for like sleeping and calming anxiety. I know when I'm high strung or a little tense, I like to put it on my pulse points just to help calm my nervous system down. So I like to put it on my wrists and right here where you can feel your pulse. So I love lavender for that. Also for when I draw a bath, you put your couple drops of lavender in there with some salt. That's like a go-to bath for me. And one of my favorite lavender stories that I'll share with you is actually for bug bites. So it's really great for any like skin irritation, inflammation things such as bug bites, scrapes, cuts like that. My parents were out here visiting me one time and they got bit quite a bit by mosquitoes out here. And I was like, let me play hippie nurse with you, and I put some lavender essential oil on their bug bites, and my mom of course had one like right here on her forehead, and they're like, okay, thanks, and they go to bed and they wake up the next morning and they're like, wow, this is some magical oil. They wouldn't use the word magical, but they were very surprised at how they said that their bug bites did not itch at all throughout the night, and my mom woke up and the bug bite was almost gone. Like normally it would be super inflamed and red and itchy and irritated, and it wasn't, and they were just really surprised by that. So that's a fun little testimony, lavender bug bite story. Peppermint is seriously my all-time favorite oil. I use it all the time. I don't ever let myself get below like 2 bottles of it because I know I'll just go through it, especially in the summertime. One of my favorite things to do with peppermint oil is I like to put it in its little roller. I personally use peppermint oil straight just because I know I can handle it like that. If you want to dilute it, and especially for kids, make sure you dilute it. But peppermint oil straight on the back of my neck keeps me cool no matter what hot climate I'm in. And I travel a lot, so especially when I go down south, it's super hot there for me, and peppermint oil on my neck just keeps me really, really cool. My family's in Phoenix, so whenever I go there, I make sure I have peppermint oil with me just to keep me sane. Another thing peppermint oil is great for is like if I don't feel very awake or alert yet in the mornings, I just put a little bit on my temples, so that really wakes me up. And for headaches too, if I have a headache, I put it on my temples, like all around here, which is really, really nice. It just releases everything that's built up there and just lets it flow, and you're like, oh, hey, I don't have a headache and I'm awake now. So if you put it on your temples though, make sure you stay by your hairline as close as possible. So more by your hairline, not by your eyeball, especially when you use peppermint oil, okay? Telling you that from experience. Hairline, temples. One of my favorite peppermint oil testimony stories, personally myself, was actually just yesterday, I think. And I've done this a couple of times, which is perfect for Thanksgiving because we're all eating a lot of food that we probably don't normally eat. Peppermint oil is awesome for an upset stomach. I personally can't really handle ingesting too much of it, but if you just rub it like around your belly button, and a little bit lower too, wherever you're feeling like really upset and gargly or bloated. Definitely rubbing straight peppermint, or dilute it if you need to, for children especially, around your belly button there, and give yourself like 5-10 minutes. My stomach just like relaxes, and it really heals. Yeah, I didn't feel too good last night from what I ate, and just rubbed some of that around my belly button, and it just feels all calming and soothing, and it's magical. So if you have any other questions, holler. Lovely to chat with you, and we'd love to geek out with you any way we can. So Okay, nice to meet y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.